Hi everyone, I'm Kay. Welcome to the Golden Compass to Pinterest Traffic by Ling of Finsavvypanda review. In this video, I'll cover what is this ebook about, why I bought it, what is the price, is it worth buying, what are the other options. Stick around until the end to get a full understanding and hear about a special gift I have for you. I'm here to share a path that's realistic, sustainable, and designed for parents who want more time with their kids while building a business they love. If that resonates with you, then stick with me and let's figure this out together. If you're a burnout parent feeling overwhelmed by work, searching for a way to earn more, want to reclaim your life, hit that subscribe button for more content that could help you make a change. Who am I and why you should listen to me? 2 years ago, I left my banking job because the exhausting hours, starting at 8 a.m. and ending at 1 a.m., completely deprived me of time to spend with my family. Yes, it was a steady paycheck with a long list of benefits, but I couldn't shake the feeling that I was missing out on so much of my life. I barely had any time to be with them. Most days, I didn't even get a moment to sit on the couch. I was completely consumed by my job. I had to drop them off at their grandparents' before sunrise and wouldn't see them again until the sunset. All I ever saw were their sleeping faces before starting the grind all over again. This wasn't the life I had envisioned. I had enough. I realized I wasn't just working for a paycheck that barely covered the bills. I needed something more, not just for me, but for my precious children. I've tried many things: Amazon FBA, Etsy, premium women, YouTube automation, running a physical business, and affiliate marketing. Since then, I've learned a lot, what works and what doesn't, especially in this fast-moving industry. I've made mistakes and spent thousands testing different strategies so that you don't have to. That's exactly why I created a way for you to skip the trial and error phase and jump straight into what I believe works best for people like us. I tried blogging earlier this year, but to draw traffic to my blogs, I needed reliable strategies. So I took a short course on the Golden Compass to Pinterest Traffic by Ling of Finsavvypanda. Disclaimer: I'm an affiliate for this ebook and the other program. So if you decide to purchase through my link, I'll earn a commission at no extra cost to you. I'll be as honest as possible to help you make the right decision. I'm not here to promise any overnight success. It will take some effort to make it work, but with persistence, you can achieve results. What is this? I purchased the Golden Compass to Pinterest Traffic by Ling of Finsavvypanda, which is an ebook itself. What is Pinterest? Pinterest is in between a social media like Instagram and a search engine platform like Google that allows users, which is the penis, to share and discover new ideas by posting and viewing images and videos. Basically, it's a visual search engine. Yeah, I would say that. A visual search engine. Ling is a Canadian blogger and introvert who teaches others how to make money through blogging. She prefers to stay faceless while sharing her insights on building an online income. The Golden Compass to Pinterest Traffic ebook covers everything a newbie needs to know about drawing traffic to a blog. With 470 pages, it's a comprehensive guide for beginners. She covers building your Pinterest foundation, Pinterest SEO, the perfect pin design, Pinterest analytics overview, audience insights, Pinterest trends, and a lot other more. Why I bought this ebook? While scrolling Pinterest, I came across Ling's pin and I was intrigued by her impressive 7 million monthly views on her pin. I was looking for an alternative other than using the SEO for my blogging, and Pinterest seems like a good idea. So how it works? You need to open a Pinterest business account. You will also need Canva to design your pin. While doing that, you will also need to analyze good keywords being used in the Pinterest platform itself. Post your pin onto the Pinterest platform, and you could potentially make a lot of money. How much? It is valued at $129. While you will get some discount if you purchase 2 programs altogether, like what I did. I purchased the Treasure Map to Blogging Success in 30 Days, version 2.0, and also the Golden Compass to Pinterest Traffic, plus her free bonuses bundle. Altogether, I spent around $156.65, which she gave discount around $20. So the good about this program, it is beginner-friendly, step-by-step guidance. Also, the fact that it is in an ebook or PDF format makes it searchable. So if you need something, you can always go back and search for the word that you want. You will be able to find the answer really quickly. It is affordable, and you can be an affiliate for this ebook. The bad, you have to work hard churning out pin posts, 3 to 5 in a day. Also, due to the fact that it is a static post, you may feel uninspired creating pins, especially when compared to video content. It also takes a lot of hard work to see results. In summary, I think it's a pretty decent ebook for less than $150. It really helped me to build a solid understanding of how to navigate and use the Pinterest interface effectively. If you're interested, click on my link below. What if I'm not interested? I have a better fit for you. It is faster and easier to make money online with a much better commission rate. You don't have to always looking for ideas to create pin. You don't feel bored from creating the static post. You don't have to wait too long to see the result. Benefits: you make more time for your family, potentially earn more than you would in a regular job. You can work from anywhere and at any time you want. How can you start? You can start by watching my free course using the link below this video, where I've shared a lot of golden nuggets. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more future content and updates. Don't forget to grab the free gift in my pinned comment below. That's all for today. Bye.